Scott from Sienna Plantation has a question about his dryer vent.
Well, it's in the middle of the house, and his dryer vent goes in the wall and goes all the way up to
happens.
one of those. Okay. So Scott writes, as the line goes through the attic, it has a small bend, and my dryer recently has an indicator that shows a code the line that says 90 to 95% plugged.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
I cleaned it out with a shop vac, but I can only go so far. So Scott wants to know, does he need to hire a pro, and who can do this?
Yeah, there's pros out there that do these kind of things. We've had several sponsors in the past.
Well, doesn't Lords do it?
I wouldn't doubt it.
Yeah,
I wouldn't doubt it at all. But there's these big brushes they push up in there, and you can't just do it with a shop vac. And a lot of fires in people's homes are caused by blocked dryer vents.
It is, in fact, it is one of the leading causes of house fires.
So, and because of this situation, and once you unblock it, it'll be fine. But you have to have it cleaned regularly. It's going to be on your check off the box list when maintaining your home, right? So in this case, you're just going to have it professionally cleaned, and they do have the equipment to do it. But a shop vac is only going to take you so far.
Yeah, I think we should put that on a T-shirt.
Shop vac's only going to take you so far.
That's it. All right, so Lord's Chimney can probably help you out with that. I'm sure, because I've heard Lee say that they do that kind of work.
Do they do? That's fine, yeah. Indeed. And there's a lot of people, depending, if somebody's watching this in other cities and whatnot,
right.
you need to have them professionally cleaned.
Without a doubt.
Unless they're like mine. Mine's like 2 feet right out the wall. That's not a big deal. But the ones that do that, yes, absolutely.
And how's it go? A shop vac, what?
Shop vac
will only take you so far.
Only take you so far. Depends which way you're facing it.
All righty. Especially if you're having a sucky day. All right.
Yes.
You don't have a sucky day, go ahead and write to us. Send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out the Ask Tom form. When you send it in, we'll take your question, answer it in one of these videos, or maybe put it on our Facebook Live broadcast.